Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Celia. It's been a while I haven't posted a video. I'm sorry about that. I hope you guys are well. Happy New Year as well. So this video I'm going to show you how I got this look with this wig. This wig was sent to me by Yolissa Hair Company. They sent me a 5x5 HD lace closure wig and I really love it. This is what came into the box, and this is the box, the packaging. In the box came the wig, of course, then a brochure, two headbands, a lasket to do that method to melt your lace, a edge brush, and some lashes, and then a bag to store your wig in. So I got a 22 body wave lace closure 5x5 HD wig, and this is what the wig looks like. The ends were perfect. They weren't thin, they were full, and the wig comes with 4 clips, 2 in the front, no, actually 3 clips, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. The lace was really thin. This is my first time working with HD lace closure wig. I was very surprised how thin it was. So yeah, I'm just showing you the construction of the cap from the wig. So I decided I wanted to dye my hair black because, you know, black hair is a thing, and I love blue black instead of jet black, because I feel like blue black is a little bit more shiny and also it's a little bit darker as well. So I decided to use Revlon natural blue black. So what I did, I put the wig on the mannequin head, which I don't know why I never covered the mannequin head, because I end up destroying my mannequin head and dye my mannequin head black. But anyway, I spray some water on the hair first to let it be a little bit damp, not soaking wet, just a little bit damp, so the hair color can penetrate on the strands easily, and I have a little bit more color to stretch, you know, so make it work, even though I use 2 boxes. So this is me taking my time to do the roots of the lace closure first, and then I went ahead and put the color all over the remaining wig, and then I bleached the knots off camera. Then I decided to give the wig a haircut. I wanted to try the 90s inspired layered haircut on this wig. I've been seeing it on Instagram, TikTok a lot, and I know it's in trend right now with the curtain bangs. But I wanted my curtain bangs to be a little bit longer than the usual curtain bang, but I know I wanted a lot of volume at the top and a lot of layers, and like a fresh blowout. I wanted that look. I wanted the look I was going for. I was fresh blowout out look. To be honest, I haven't done a haircut in a long while. I was a little bit crusty and I didn't know how to start or where to start. So I watched some videos on YouTube. I'm gonna put 2 videos that I watched in the description bar so you guys can see. I really don't know how to explain what I did, but I'm gonna try my best. But if I did not explain it properly, you can check out the videos down below and see, because they explain it a lot way more in details for you guys. But pretty much what I did a 1 length cut, because I wanted every strand on that wig to get cut, because of when you cut your hair, it moves better. When you add layers in your hair, it moves better because you're taking off all that dead ends off your wig, so it's gonna move better and just flow better. So the first thing I did was did a 1 length cut on the wig, and I separate from ear to ear and go accordingly. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing the layers, and I really don't know. I don't even know why I'm showing these clips, because I really don't know how to explain what I was doing. I really don't. So I think I'm just gonna leave it, because I feel like it's been more frustrating if I try to explain what makes no sense than me just saying, okay, really and truly, I want you guys to just watch what I was doing, because I don't know how to explain, and you guys can just watch the video. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. But anyway, after I finished cutting, I started to blow dry the hair, and then I went on to curl. I wanted big curls, like nice blowed curls. So I went in with a 1.5 inch curling iron from Hot Tools, and I took like probably 2 inch sections, or a little bit, probably 2.5 sections, and I did like the curls like I'm doing a roller set. So I did the mohawk in the middle and then the curls at the side. So that was my sectioning for the curls, because that's gonna give the volume as well. It's like so specific for that look. So I curl the hair like I'm doing roller sets. Just install the wig with ORS. What did I use? ORS wig grip gel, and then their Olin spray. So that's what I did. This is a finished look. This is how it looks. You guys can recreate it, but I really, really love this. I was so happy and I was so proud, because a girl's been down, and this really kind of get me back into the groove of filming and just feeling a little bit more inspired, because I've been It's a lot, it's a lot. Really happy about the outcome of this wig, and I really love the quality of the hair. It stands up, it feels so good, it holds the curls. It just looks nice. Like, look at it, it just looks so nice. So all the information is gonna be in the description bar about this wig, and you guys can check out Yolissa Hair Company, because this lace, I don't think I did an amazing job at laying the lace because I'm not so good at it, but based, it still looked nice. It didn't really look like that in person, but on camera, I guess because of the lights, it kind of showed my lace a little bit, but it's really, really nice. It's really, really nice. It's me. It's not the wig, it's me. I'm gonna say that it's not the wig, it's me. Thank you so much, Yolissa, for sponsoring this video. And as I said, you can check out everything in the description bar to know more about the haircut and along with the hair information. So take care, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.